Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Chris, and today we will be building a simple app called RateOurService. This is used to gather feedback from customer. So it's a single page application and also a one admin page that is used to view the result of the survey. Basically, you can just choose and click the image that you want, and it will just prompt it with the confirmation. So let's say I pick good service, so this one will appear, and after 5 seconds it will just automatically disappear. Poor. And basically that's it. And also you can go to the admin page, so just log in, and you can see we have 7 excellent, good, average, bad, and poor. We have 7, and 3 out of 7 for the excellent, or that is 42.86, and for the good 28.57, and so on. So I also incorporated with a simple donut chart, if that's what they call. So excellent, 3, good. Okay, so this is 3 out of 7. Let's say we'll try to vote for the average. So average, okay, so if we refresh this one, see, it's 1 out of 8. So this project is built in Laravel and VueJS. So alright, so that is what we are going to build. Okay, so we will start the project by installing a Laravel. So basically go to your command prompt, if you're in Windows, terminal if you're in Mac or Linux. So root directory, cd womp. I'm using womp server. So Laravel 5.8. I usually use the Laravel 5.8. This one, copy. So we'll go to terminal and paste, and then we'll just we call this RateOurService App. RateOurService. This will take a while, and depending on your internet speed, and once this is finished I will get back to you. Okay, installation is finished. For the bootstrap, I usually use the node npm node package modules, so we need to install that. Simply type npm install, and also this one will browsing the directory, survey, what's the name, it's RateOurService. cd rate npm install npm, sorry about that, npm install. Okay, this will take a while depending on your speed. So while doing that, we will configure our virtual host so that we are not going to use the local host address for the URL. So we can do this by going to the notepad and click run as administrator, and open the host file, this one. So we just need to 127.0.0.0.1, and the name is so it's finished. RateOurService RateOurService.nz. File save, close this one. So we need to open the file, open folder, C drive, home server, www, and RateOurService App. So if you going to notice, we have now the node module package, so everything is there. So next we are going to look for the Apache. Here, go to C drive, home server, bin, I think, Apache, conf extra, and virtual host. Okay, so this one, this is one of the current programs I have written, so we just need to mark them all with asterisk, pound sign. First, okay, so the name is RateOurService, RateOurService.nz. Same with this one. Oops. RateOurService. Okay, then just save, close everything, and then we need to restart the server. Okay, so after we restart the server, you can just go to so no need to go to the localhost. We'll see you in the next video.